evening and welcome to the thorough newspaper analysis for 2nd September 2022. So today we do not have any news editorial article and instead we'll be focusing on the news update and the legal news, which you know are a part of LawSikho's initiative to keep its students and readers updated with the current affairs that is happening in and around of India. So with this in mind, we move on to the first news update for today. That is, Anurag Sharma has been elected as World Body CPA Treasurer. Member of Parliament from the Jhansi Lalitpur Parliamentary Constituency, Anurag Sharma has been elected as the International Treasurer of the Parliamentary Association Conference, CPA, at the 65th Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Conference in Halifax, Canada. He will now be on the main executive council. Secondly, we have Horn C2, North Sea Wind Farm claims title of the world's largest. The Horn C2 offshore wind farm, 55 miles off the coast of Yorkshire in northeast England, has become fully operational and is the world's largest. It quotes Carbon Brief's Simon Evans, saying that gas power is currently 9 times more expensive than the latest renewable energy contracts. Thirdly, we have Reliance Industries to build world's largest carbon fiber plant. Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani has announced to build India's first and one of the world's largest carbon fiber plants at Hazira, Gujarat. The plants will have the capacity of 20,000 MTPA based on acrylonitrile feedstock. For the fourth news update today, we have Amlan Borgohain breaks 100-meter national record at All India Railway Championships. Amlan Borgohain broke Amiya Kumar Mallik's record of 10.26 seconds, which was created in 2016. Amlan Borgohain became India's fastest sprinter by running 100 meters in 10.25 seconds at the All India Inter Railways Athletics Championships in Raebareli. With this, we move on to the legal updates for the day. The first legal update is magistrate cannot make observations regarding rights of parties on property without dropping proceedings under section 145 of CrPC. The Supreme Court in the case of Muhammad Shakir versus the state of Uttar Pradesh held that while dropping the proceedings under section 145 of CrPC because of the pendency of civil litigations, a magistrate cannot make any observations or return any findings as regards rights of parties who are the property in question. For the second legal update, we have Bar of Order 2 Rule 2 CPC applies only to subsequent suits, cannot apply to an amendment sought on an existing suit. Now, the Supreme Court observed that the Bar of Order 2 Rule 2 of the CPC cannot apply to an amendment which is sought on an existing suit, but applies only to subsequent suits. The bench also observed that the principle of constructive res judicata has no application when there was no formal adjudication between the parties after full hearing. And the same was held in the case of Life Insurance Corporation versus Sanjeev Builders Private Limited. So this was all for today. For free study materials and TNA PDF slides, please join our Telegram channel, the link of which you can find in the description given below, or you can also scan the QR code that is given on the screen. For any further information, please feel free to visit www.lawsikho.com. Thank you.